Introducing the 2022 Cupra Born $150 a sleek and powerful electric estate with 204 horsepower. This stunning grey vehicle is packed with top-notch features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. Stay connected on the go with Bluetooth phone, USB outlets, and Wi-Fi network capabilities. With safety features like multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and emergency call, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy the convenience of automatic hazard lights, smart card entry, and auto handbrake. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.